Blessings everyone. So we're here in downtown Tampa and we just stopped at this Jamaican restaurant called Yaman, and it's a restaurant that I've been going to for quite some time. So it's really nice, elegant feel to it. So they're just opening up. They have kind of like odd hours, so it's like, I don't know, sometimes they open at like 2 o'clock, sometimes they open at like 4. But today they open at 4 o'clock, so we're just waiting a few minutes.
Here, and I'll tell you a little backstory. So we're all family. We're all representing different parts of the island. So my mom is from Jamaica. The chef is actually from the Virgin Islands, St. Thomas. We got family from Trinidad as well as Curacao. And at the end of the day, our whole philosophy is one love. So we want to show love to everybody, no matter where you come from, and everybody's going to get that VIP treatment. So that's what we're trying to do. So come on, it's my pleasure, absolutely. So it's all about you guys. So whatever you need, just let me know.
Awesome.
I give you a little time to take a look at the menu.
Perfect.
Again, I appreciate the love.
All right.
Come on, my pleasure.
So to start off, so I have a passion fruit drink. First of all, it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's really, really good. It's not too sweet. It's a little sweet, but it's not too sweet. And this one doesn't have anything in it, so it is the non-alcoholic version of it, but they do have the alcoholic version as well, if that's what you want to get. But yeah, it doesn't have anything in it. How does it taste like?
Not yet.
What does it taste like?
It's good. It tastes very nice. Love it.
Good? Yeah? Or does it taste like it has atoll sour? Is it more sour?
Yeah, it has sour. It's real sour. It has ginger. This one tastes like it has rum in it.
It has, so that's good. They got it down.
This is the jerk. It's got that spice and that kick with the beef patty, and then we've got the other one with the roti and the curry gravy dipping sauce. Got you. It's my pleasure. We got some napkins.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, the honey barbecue with the what you call it? Yeah.
Yes.
Perfect. This looks amazing.
You have a brother right here.
Okay, that's what's up. That's cool. We all one.
Was good. That was really, really good. Everything was cooked to perfection. It was well seasoned. So as you can see, we have gotten through it. The drinks are done. 3D Sarah, what's good?
Very good.
To your authentic Jamaican standards.
Mine's a little stronger, but
yeah, so yeah, so that was just the entree. basically went through that. So we already ordered our dinner, so we're just waiting for that to be done. So yeah, so far very flavorful, and you know, to be coming back here after like quite a few, probably like, what, maybe 4 years or so. So to see that it's still, you know, authentic, the food is still good. You know, they've got the same owner still, so that's really, really good. But yeah, so stay tuned and I will show you all the main meal.
It's my pleasure. I'm gonna take this out the way to get the little room, and I'll be right back with the rest.
All right.
I appreciate it.
Wow. So what you got?
I got the mango wild caught salmon. This is what it looks like.
Looks good.
It looks good. Hopefully it tastes good. So we're gonna wait for the rest of the food to come out, and then we'll all try it together.
Good. Looking good. I think we're just waiting on our second veggie patty. What else? Oh, the meat platter that you're getting. And the rice. Yeah, and the rice. Yes. All right. That's
So
first
we
one.
got the brown stew, we got the curry, we got the jerk, with the plantains, the rice, and the goodness. Anything else you guys need, just let me know.
All right. Thank you so much.
A little plate and more napkins.
It'll be my pleasure.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Get our rice.
I'll work on that too.
All right. Thank you. Wow.
That looks good.
This is good.
That's a big man plate.
You heard that, guys? Big man plates. So as you all can see, these platters are actually for individuals. So they kind of like tailor it for one person, so you can try different things and it's still considered one meal. So that's really good, especially if you're trying things for the first time. So it's very convenient. Snapper. So this is filet snapper, right? Yeah. Okay. I think this is my first time seeing filet snapper. I don't think I've ever. I didn't know that was a thing. So this is very interesting. Yes. Look at that. Upscale Jamaican food, approved by actual Jamaicans. Right? And then that makes a big difference as well. So, you know, with my mom's cooking and, you know, of course, like her going to Jamaican restaurants in Jamaica and stuff like that as well. So the fact that she puts her stamp of approval on it, I think that definitely saves words.
So anytime you want to get away, be like, yeah, man, right? Yeah, man. I appreciate it. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes,
All the way here.
definitely.
I'm thrilled already with just the apple.
Coming back next week.
I am truly
Coming back next week, okay?
I'll be looking for you next week.
We're about to head back to Orlando. Again, this is Yaman. So, Yaman restaurant in Tampa, right downtown. If you are in the Tampa area or you're going to the beach in Clearwater or something like that, definitely check out Yaman for some really, really good Caribbean island food. Yes. All right, guys. Till next time, stay blessed.